Hey everybody, Rob D'Alessio, Taste of Retirement, and today we're going down to the bayou. We're gonna do a Cajun classic, the shrimp po' boy. Come on, let me show you how we do it. All right, a shrimp po' boy. It is a Cajun staple. If you've ever been in New Orleans, almost every restaurant has them, and they're absolutely fantastic. You can do shrimp, you can do crawfish, you could do oysters, you could even do chicken livers. They're just great, very versatile, and everyone's got their own unique twist on it. So we've got some canola oil going, high smoke point, temperature's about 350 degrees. I've got cornmeal and flour that I seasoned a little bit, because it's not seasoned when you get it. I've got some 16-20 tail off shrimp. They're already peeled into veins. 16 to 20 means how many shrimp per pound. These are great. You obviously, if you're really going old school, you can go Gulf shrimp. That'd be great. And then I've got some seasonings here that we're gonna put on the shrimp. We've got some cumin, we've got some chipotle, and we've got some garlic powder, and then salt and pepper as well. So we're gonna toss those with the shrimp and just toss those around a little bit just to season them up. And then what I wanna do is I wanna add some buttermilk. Okay, give that real nice rich flavor to it. So mix that around. And of course I've got a remoulade. And a remoulade is basically like a Creole mustard, right? You make some mayonnaise, add in some stone ground mustard and some capers and other things like that, and it's delicious. Normally, you would put shredded lettuce on a po' boy. I don't really like shredded lettuce, iceberg lettuce very much, so I went ahead and took some spring mix and did it that way. So you got the shrimp dredging in the buttermilk now. Now we're gonna put them in the flour mixture. And this is a messy job. You could do it with gloves on or whatever you want, but you just wanna get them in there and make sure that they're good and coated very well, because you want that nice crunchy bite to it. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna drop them in the oil. And shrimp cook extremely quickly, so you need to be on the ready. You gotta stay by your pan. And how you know shrimp can get overcooked is when they curl up real tight like a ball. So you wanna make sure that you don't wanna do that, because then they won't be as tender as they should be. Oh my gosh, it smells delicious. All right, so while those are cooking, we've got another pan ready with some paper towels just to drain off any excess oil we may have. And that's how fast, minute, maybe two. They're real crunchy, they got a nice crunch to them. They're gonna make for a great sandwich. Okay, now we're gonna assemble the sandwich, right? And so what we have is a nice baguette. I put a little bit of butter on there just to add that extra rich flavor to it. And I went ahead and toasted it off, so it's really nice and crunchy. And I like to cut the edges at an angle instead of leaving the ends of the bread. I just think it's a little bit better. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that remoulade and I'm gonna do a smear on both sides. And don't worry about putting too much. In my opinion, with this, you can't put too much. All right, and then I'm gonna do the lettuce mix. You can't do too much of that. Then our shrimp. And I like to layer them a little bit. That's just gonna give the sandwich a little bit more elevation and obviously a better bite when you go to bite into the sandwich. And there you have it, the shrimp po' boy, a Cajun classic. Of course, we twisted ours a little bit. We always do on Taste of Retirement. If you like what you saw today, click like and subscribe, and you'll see amazing content just like this. I'm Rob D'Alessio, and this was the Taste of Retirement.